Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Audi A3 Sport. So this is our 2014 Audi A3 Sport. It's the 2 litre TDI with the 6-speed manual box. It's only £20 a year to tax. It's done just over 90,000 miles from new, and whilst in our care, we've done the cambelt and water pump, given it a service, replaced the battery, carried out a fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in good condition for the age and mileage. A couple little stone chips here and there, but nothing terrible. You've also got 4 matching Continental tyres with loads of tread left on them. Inside, you've got DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, drive mode select, really cool little infotainment screen that pops up from just there. It's all in really nice condition inside. Good bit of legroom in the back. Again, all in lovely condition. Good size boot. These Audi A3s, they are really good all-rounder cars. Quite practical. Very nice looking hatchback as well. It's really clean for the age and mileage. As I say, a couple little stone chips on the front here and there, but nothing terrible. Freshly serviced, cambelt's been done, tyres are all good, fresh MOT, ready to go to its new owner. And it's also only £20 a year to tax, so it's going to keep those running costs nice and low. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.